What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will show you what are the attributes present in this book library. So let's begin. So guys, in the first line, you can see we have imported the classes of the book library. Here you can see what this mean from this book library and from this plotting class. We have imported figure function, the output file function, and the show function. Okay. If you don't understand it, let me repeat it. From this bouquet library, we have imported this plotting class, and from this plotting class, we have imported this figure function, the output file function, the show function. Okay, so in next line, we have created a variable p, and we have taken this figure function, and here we have specified the width, the height, the tools which we want. The first one is pen. Here you can see it is pen, and it is the reset button. This means you can simply, if you have zoomed it, you want it in the default size, it will give the it will reset the size of the picture. And you can also put here, but we have put it here none. And we have given the title here, you can see, and we have given the color of the title. Then we have give the font of the title, which is Times, and we have put it the font style here also, which is italic. You can see also what's the next step. Okay, we have removed the minor line here, which look like something like this. We have removed these lines, and after that, what we have done is what we were, yep, here you can see on the x-axis we have put it the variable here, not the variable, the label here. You can see its name is time, and in the y variable, in the y-axis, we have put it this value variable, not the variable, it is label. In the next line, we have created this data set and printed in the form of circle. Here you can see these are the circles, and then we have created an output file which is scatterplotting.html, and in the last step we simply printed it. So that's all in the bouquet library, and if you want more, you can check the documentary of them. You can simply google it, and if you can find that, you can ask me in the comment box, I will give you the link. So that's all for this tutorial, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So in the next video, we will start the next section where we will learn the computer vision. So thank you, and meet in the next tutorial.